The machine can automatically complete products measuring, feeding, filling and bag forming, date code printing, sealing and cutting. The heat-generating parts and moving parts are hidden in the protective cover. Daily production output and self-diagnostic machine error can be viewed directly from the screen. Servo motor is driven heat seal film pulling system, which is stable and reliable with high accuracy. The machine is made of stainless steel material, which ensures the hygiene and safety of the material. Heating sealing cutter to avoid curling or loopholes in the sealing position. The ribbon code machine can code on any flexible packaging materials which print is clear and hygienic. The photoelectric positioning of bag length is accurate.